boys.
Alright. Yeah.
Welcome back to episode 5 on the Huracan build. So we finally figured out what was wrong with the roof, and I just want to go a little bit through it before we start pulling it apart. So we got the sensor for the roof, which it's just a temperature sensor, but I guess without the sensor being plugged in, the roof did not want to open. So we plugged in the sensor and the roof still did not want to open, but it's because we fully parted out pretty much the entire dashboard, the trunk, the hardtop cover, the door. So we disconnected a lot of sensors, a lot of ground, so that's why the roof did not want to open. So it took us about a day and a half to figure it out. We were doing a lot of research everywhere how to get the roof open. I was already going to do it by computer manually, but we decided to put everything back together where we took it off, connect everything back, all the sensors, the ground, everything we took off from the dashboard, the sun sensor, put the doors back on, the trunk, the lid, pretty much everything. And once we put everything on, we got the car started and the roof opened. So we were kind of stressing about it, didn't really know what the problem was, kind of figuring it out. So right now we're just gonna pretty much get the roof open, and we're gonna start pretty much try to get the whole soft top up in the air to finally get those pop-ups off the car. And pretty much there's a few little things that we couldn't take off, like seat belts. We had to take off the seat belts, change the seat belts. We couldn't take them off because the roof was up, and in order to take them off, there's bolts going through top here, so the roof is in the way. So we're going to get started and see where it leads. So yeah, let's get the car started right now. Let's get the roof. Alright, before we start on the roof, we're gonna get the seat belts out of the way, because you can see they're in a way. They're connected kind of to the convertible. We just need to get them out of the way, just so we still need to take them off. So it's the first thing we're gonna do is take these out, and then we can finally get to the roof and figure out how to pick up the whole soft top. There you go. Lamborghini just had to be extra and put one bolt all the way on the bottom,
Because 4 on the top were not enough.
we got a bad habit of putting bolts on the expensive spoiler right there. So we're using it as a table, so we gotta stop doing this. Good thing it has a clear bra on it, so it will not get scratched. Alright, so the most complicated part about this car, we gotta figure it out. We took them out. Now it's time to just change them and pretty much just pop them right back in, put everything back in place, put it all together, and just complete this area over here. And then we're gonna focus on the front, on the frame, on the suspension. The parts should be here in the week. They're coming from UK, huge shipment. So, and we noticed once we took this wheel apart, and we actually took off the other side. We noticed this side is missing this wheel lock. So
works pretty interesting here. We'll show you guys. Basically, since it's a one lug, I guess Lamborghini made a sort of like a safety thing. This goes inside here. Come here, we'll show you guys. So when you see inside, it has these rivets, and it goes inside and it locks it. Then this, when the wheel screws on, you have this that pushes this in, and it allows the wheel to be loose.
Basically, it doesn't spin right now.
Yeah.
Once this pushes in, you can see how it spins.
So they made it sort of like a safety lock since it's a one lug.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, it's pretty interesting. All right, you two.
Alright guys, we're done for today. It was a challenge to remove the pop-ups, but we made it happen. So stay tuned for episode 6. Like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Stay tuned just to see what's going to happen in episode 6 and in our future builds. We got a lot crazy stuff coming up in the future, so thank you for your support, for the likes, for the comments, even for the dislikes. Thank you for that too. So yep, we're out.